So welcome to this short tutorial where we will show how to make a slot for an NFC tag in a vertical position with the help of Fusion 360. So this is our part of our design. It's a crossover for a speaker system. We are thinking about placing an NFC tag here in the center of this design to be able to tap it and get product information and data from this. So just to be very pedagogic, I will drag in a component which is actually the NFC tag. This is of course not necessary in a normal case, but it's just to get the component properly into the design, and of course getting it into bill of materials, and of course also for this purpose of this demo I thought it was be a good idea to showcase this a little bit more. So I'm just placing this for now in a not so interesting position. We will actually place it later, but this is the size of the NFC tag, and it's fairly good. You can download these components from What.io library as parts to use them in your own design. So we would like to put it into the bottom module here. So I actually highlight and select this module, and we create a sketch. We'll look at it from the front. I will start by creating cross-reference helplines from here to here, and we will do one more from here to here. So obviously you can also model this from the top and down. I will model it like this just because I know the placement I would like to have. I take the rectangle center point and I take away the cross system. So you need to leave a little bit space for the design. So these are exactly 20 by 20 millimeters quadratic size. So I would recommend doing something like 21 or 22, depending on what nozzle size you're using. It can actually have some implications on the tolerances, but if you do 22, you are fine. Don't make too big slots, because doing a too big slot can of course have an impact on the fact that it will move inside your construction. So and of course this PVC based watertight NFC tag does not have any glue or anything like this, so it needs to be slotted in with a pause on the printer. So now I will actually decide how far in I would like it to be. First of all, the size of the slot, so it's exactly 0.88 millimeters thick. I will go something like minus 1.4 just to be safe that I can slot it in. And now, of course, with the offset tool, I can decide how far in I would like this to be in the construction. And then we need to put in -4, and now you can see from the top that this is a fairly good. I don't want it to come too close because this is electrical stuff here, but -3, -4 millimeter is approximately where I would like it to be. So I say okay, and now just for showing that we actually have this correct, let's switch on everything again. We make a section analysis from the top. And now here you see, here is the slot where it needs to go in. And in the slicer, you will actually put a pause just here will be the pause. And when the pause comes, you take the NFC tag and you slot it in, and it will be completely embedded into your construction. So thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.